In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app not sending code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes we can try. So fix number one is go ahead and check your internet connection. So make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Without internet, the app may not sync correctly. Fix two is check notification permissions. So go to your settings on your phone, find Microsoft Authenticator. So I'm on an Android here, so I'm going to click and hold it. Click on the eye to get into app info. Under privacy, I'm going to click onto notifications and make sure that is set to allow notifications. Now, the next fix is to open up the Microsoft Authenticator app and then select your account and use the 6-digit code or 8-digit code inside the app instead of waiting for a push notification. These codes refresh every 30 seconds and these also work offline as well. Now, another fix we can try is make sure the Authenticator app is up to date. So click and hold down to it, scroll down, get app details, install, and make sure that is updated. It says update, go ahead and update your Microsoft Authenticator. If it says open, you're running the latest current version of the app. Now, we might need to check time synchronization as well. So go to your phone's date and time settings. So it's down below here, bottom of the page inside settings, general management, and click into date and time and make sure automatic date and time is selected and also automatic time zone. So what happens, incorrect time settings can prevent codes from sending and also mucking up a lot of other apps that are on your phone as well. Now, if all else fails, go ahead and uninstall the Authenticator app, go to your Player App Store, re-download it, sign back in and restart your phone.